Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to create a wall clock using a cardboard cutout and this clock movement kit that I picked up from Target and using this Dollar Tree hand. तो मैंने कैप पूरी तरह से खोल दी है एंड इट इज क्वाइट लेंदी. सो मुझे इसको सिर्फ इस कार्डबोर्ड के सेंटर पे थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ते हुए इस पे स्टिक करना है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल मेक अ स्मॉल मार्क इन द सेंटर एंड pierce a hole in between big enough जिसमें ये इंसर्ट हो सके. So in the center of the cardboard, we want a square this big so that this machine can be inserted. So I'll place it on the top of the cardboard and cut out. So I'm spray painting these clock hands as black because right now they are golden in color और ये मेरी clock के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा. The base of my clock is ready and the hour hand, minute hand that I spray painted black, they are also ready. Now I picked up these flowers from Dollar Tree and I plan to use these on one side of the clock. So सबसे पहले I will just take out flowers and the leaves which I plan to use. Then I think I'll use this.